From our dedicated factory in Dandenong, Victoria, we manufacture our Columnform prefabs and supply them to an engineer's specifications. Due to the light weight, more columns can be transported to the site in one delivery. The unloading of columns deliveries is quicker and more efficient thanks to the light weight. More than 4 Columnform boxes can be lifted at once, as well as the Rio cages, and there is no need to wait for steel fixing. Concrete pour for both column and slab can be done at the same time. After concrete pour, no or only minimal stripping is required. Columns are ready for painting for exposed columns and car parks, and ready for fixing the cladding battens for internal plaster walls. Columnform is fully fire rated as per Australian standards. Columnform prefab columns and blades are engineered and certified, providing a hassle-free construction of columns and blade walls. No bracing except Z-bar bracing. No steel fixers. No temporary formwork. Provides a more effective workflow. Is locally manufactured and uses less crane time. Columnform, for hassle-free construction of any sized columns or blade walls.